Okay, good morning students and welcome to Maths Chef YouTube channel. This is Suraj Patil. You're solving you're in the concept of quadratic equation, fourth chapter. So in introduction I have done for the quadratic equation, the degree of 2 x square bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Also I have found out the some questions whether the given equation is the quadratic or not. Then again I have to solve some solutions also by factorization theorem. Okay, you done the solutions to find the solutions by the factorization theorem. Okay, by linear products, right? So now the 4.5 is nature of roots. 4.5 is nature of roots of a quadratic equation. Nature of roots of quadratic equation QE, right? So nature of the roots, okay, already you know what the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form. Okay, so here let's take the example. Let's take I will take in for the x minus 2 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, just by reverse method deriving the equation. Okay, this is like that, x square minus 2x, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 4. So in this equation, the quantity, the value is b square minus 4ac. This term is equal to 0. Is called, okay, not 0, this one. This is called discriminant, okay, divided by the discriminant. Triangle you can write also, whatever we can use, called discriminant. Okay, based on this behavior, equal to 0, greater than 0, less than 0, we have the methods here. Okay, so here we know x is equal to 2 and 2, they are the roots. So roots are like that, they are real numbers and equal roots. Let's see, check this condition. B square minus 4ac, okay, delta term determinant is called discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to, what the b square is? Minus 4 whole square, minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 4. This is 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So what is the meaning here, sir? If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, this implies that roots are of the equation, roots are real number and equal. Real number and equal. First condition, okay, nature of roots. This is the standard equation of the a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant. Okay, if discriminant, okay, I have taken here na, by reverse method, roots are like that. So roots is if the discriminant b square minus 4 is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Real means a real number. Okay, then let's check again. X minus 2, right, and x minus root 3 equal to 0. What are the here values are? 2 and 3, root 3. So expand it. Okay, x square minus 2x minus root 3x minus 2, right? X into x square minus 2x, again root 3 minus root 3 into x, minus into minus plus 2 root 3. What is the here equation here? Equal to 0, x square minus is minus of x into 2 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Right? Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to, right, minus 2 of plus root 3 and c is equal to 2 root 3. Right? In that equation x square minus x means I am writing this here. So instead of writing x here, this is the common minus of 2 plus root 3 into x plus, okay, is okay. Right. Find the value of b square minus 4ac with respect to this equation. So okay, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Randomly I am taking na. This is to show the values here. Or the b square is, okay, 2 plus root 3 whole square, right, minus 4 into which one? 4 into AC. A is 1, 2 into root 3. So this becomes minus plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3. This minus 8 root 3. Right? This becomes 7 minus 4 root 3. This is greater than 0 and it is not a real number. Therefore, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, right? This is 7 minus 4 greater than 0, no? Always. And okay, the value is also real number. If the b square minus 4ac greater than 0, this implies that roots here are distinct. This is the word. Distinct means different. Distinct and real. Here roots are real and equal. Here roots are real and distinct. Right? So then only one we left is if the roots, okay, this is not for your purpose, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, roots are not real. Roots not real. It goes to imaginary number. So anyway, not mentioned to your class. It is imaginary. Okay, so called roots are imaginary. Imaginary means it should be like that. Okay. And the answer is here like that. X is equal to root of minus 2. X is equal to root of minus 3, like that. So here you are writing as 2i, writing as 3i because root of minus 1 is equal to I. Okay, it will get this type of roots. Okay, this means what is the value here? X square plus 2 is equal to 0. We will get this type of equations. So this is not mentioned in not considered in the real number system. Okay, this system, this solution. Solution for this, even though this is the algebraic, this is the quadratic equation, but the solution for this equation is not considered in a real number system, right? Again, another condition is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, roots are distinct and real. Roots are distinct and real. This is distinct means different, a real means real number. If less than 0, roots are not real or imaginary in this form. Okay, in this form you get the answer. So this is the basic introduction. Okay. Some small concept here, and I will derive the equation. Okay, another fundamental formula for the to find the roots of the quadratic equation is, okay, formula for the to find the roots of the equation. This is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? This is the condition. Okay. Already solved now. If b square minus 4ac, let's consider if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, automatically the bracket becomes minus b, right? Plus or minus 0 by 2a, because minus b by 2a. These are the condition because roots are equal. Okay, same as we get it. We get the minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. Roots are equal and real. Equal and real. Okay. If this one greater than 0, again we get the different values. Na? This one for plus and one for minus. Okay, it's not a condition here. Okay, depends on this one only. If greater than 0, we get different values. If less than 0, we get different. Less than this means we make the value. Mostly in questions and exam, they will ask the real numbers, real numbers. Find the roots. Almost of the real number. Okay. Because imaginary number, we cannot find the roots of the equation. So because our solution is not considered here, complex number, that is another chapter under system also. Almost either the roots are equal or greater than equal to 0. Equal to 0 or greater than equal to 0. Okay. Discriminant 0, this becomes this 0. Discriminant greater than 0 becomes this is the itself is the answer. Right? Let's check the derive the equation. Okay. Even though it is not for the syllabus. Okay. That is very important concept. So, with the updation, still they are following the COVID batch. I think so. This is the derivation is not given. As completing the square, solution of the quadratic equation by completing the square, they are not given. But okay, very in every chapter, very interesting. The main potential concept they are skipped. It is difficult and complex also, but it is very important. The whole chapter rounds around this concept only for questions. But that question also they skip means. Let us see. Okay. Anyway, how is their formula for kids? So they have to help the kids na, to get out from the level. Okay. Let's derive the equation. This one, formula for the quadratic equation. Formula of roots. Formula for roots. Formula for roots for of quadratic equation. Okay. Plus standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First equation. So next then divide a on both sides. Okay. Divide a on both sides. Okay. What we will get here? X square plus b by a x plus c is equal to 0. C by a also. Right? Then right send the b by a is equal to c by a right side minus c by a. So then this we have to make the complete square. Okay. This is complete square now. So I have to get this one. Okay. So let's consider here x plus b by a. Okay. X plus b by 2a whole square. What will we get? So this term here. X square plus 2 into b by 2ax plus b square by 4a square. I will get this term now. But see, 2 get cancelled here. 2 get cancelled. X square plus b by 2a b by a x plus b square by 4a square. So up to term we have. So I have this term complete here. So what I do here? Just add and subtract this one. Okay. X square plus b by a x plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square is equal to c by a minus c by a. So up to this term I have. So what the remaining is for to make the complete square, I need this one b square by 4a square. That's why So I am just adding and subtracting the same term here. Okay, and this whole term becomes something. This whole term becomes x plus b by 2a whole square and is equal to, this is positive now, goes right side. Yes, b square, right, 4a square minus c by a, this term. Okay, b square expansion also, and sending to the right side, b minus, okay, b square expanding and sending the right side, plus b square by 4a square, this minus is minus c by a, right? Let's check the again here. Right, so what the equation here, simplify, x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, okay, simplification, b square, LCM is 4a square, so what the already a is there, so are taking 4ac divided by 4a square, right? So here square na, send the square after sa, apply square root on both sides, x plus b by 2a, this becomes plus or minus, apply the square root, right, b square minus 4ac by 4a square, right, and this becomes plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, upper term as it is, because lower term becomes 2a. So here x is there na, send the this side, minus b by 2a plus or minus, plus is there na, just send right side, square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is, to get 2 is common, LCM, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the required answer. Solution. Okay, this derivation is not for your exam purpose, but still, okay, I taken a look at here, because now just came to know. But the first question is divide a by on the both side. This is logic only. Then send the minus b c by a right side. So this is the incomplete square. So I have to make the complete square. What I have to do here? This is like that 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2a, right? This is a, this is b, but this is b is incomplete. So because I want 2 here, so I have taken here 1 by 2, okay? This is b by 2a whole square now. This is term I am getting here, okay? So what I am doing here, b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square, adding and subtracting, same term. So I will make this becomes complete square and sending the remaining term to right side. So simple solution. Okay, this is the only concept question, right? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a is the required solution, and b square minus 4ac is called discriminant, right? Discriminant, already we know what is discriminant here. Okay, so discriminant, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are equal and real. Equal and real. If b square minus 4ac greater than 0, distinct and real, right? Distinct and real. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, imaginary, not a real number. Roots are imaginary. Okay, just look at the equation. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 4x. Okay, question is 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Find the discriminant. Okay, find the discriminant. So what is here equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing the equation becomes a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 3. So our discriminant is b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. What is the b here? 16 minus 4 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. This is 16 minus 8 into 3, 24. Okay. This is minus 8 less than 0, right? So roots are imaginary. No real roots are called. Roots are, for this equation, roots are imaginary. Are not, no real roots. No real roots. The equation does not have any real roots. Okay, next question is very important concept they are missing, but I don't know. This is the very fundamental question. Completing this square. Okay, the exercise 4.3 or 4.4. Exercise 4.3 is very important, I think so, but still they not mentioned. Okay, find the discriminant of the equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3. Find the discriminant of the equation. Question 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3. Right? Minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Write the standard form. Compare the equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 1 by 3. Right? Find discriminant. What is the discriminant here? B square minus 4ac is equal to, what is b square is? Minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a into 3 and c into c is 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. This is plus 4 minus 4. This is equal to 0. Therefore, this is 0 means what the roots are? Okay. X is equal to minus b by 2a. These are the roots. Equal and distinct. So, minus b by equal and real. So, this implies, what is the minus b here? Minus 2 by 2 into 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 are the roots. Okay, not minus, it should be plus. Yes, because this becomes plus. Because already b is minus 2, so b is equal to minus 2. What is the minus b is equal to? Minus b is equal to minus b implies minus of minus 2 because 2. Minus b is the answer. Okay, minus b is there, minus 2. This is like that. Minus of minus 2. Let's check the answer. Another one is there. What problem is there? Let's solve it. And okay, let's solve it. Another question. Okay, let's solve some word problems. Okay, books question you can solve. That is which one? A pole has to be greater at the point on the boundary of a circular park of diameter 30 meters in such a way that the difference they are given. Okay, they are given, you can solve it. Right. Find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Okay. Find the value of k. Right. Question is k of x into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Equal roots means they give this discriminant is 0. Okay. Equal roots, no? Discriminant. This simplification kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Or a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Right? Minus 2k. Yes. What is the discriminant is this? b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If the equal roots means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So, okay. This is minus 2k whole square, right? Minus 4 into each one, k into 6 is equal to 0. And this becomes 4k square minus 4k into 6 is equal to 0. So the k taken outside, 4k minus 24 is equal to 0. So either k is equal to 0 or 4k minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, this is not possible because no, it becomes 0, then not valid. Therefore, 4k minus 24 is equal to 0. K is equal to 24 by 4 is equal to 6. Yes. Yes. K is equal to 6. This is the required solution. And question number 5 is 4.4. Let's check the answer also. Okay, 4.4 K6, right? Question number 5 is here. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area is 400 meter? If so, find the length and breadth. Is it possible to design a rectangular park? Okay, but the question is, a rectangular park is there such that, okay, length, breadth and breadth. Area is equal to 400 meters square. Okay, then perimeter, okay, perimeter is 2 into L plus 2 into B is equal to 80 meter. Our question is it possible to design rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter? We have to check the first condition, then check the discriminant greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0. Then we can do. Okay. For the perimeter here, okay, 2L plus 2B is equal to 800 meter means L plus B is equal to 40 meter. So L is equal to 40 minus B. Right? L is equal to 40 minus B in this form. And what the condition is? What the area is? Area is equal to L into B. So what the area they given? 400 meter square. So this implies that what is the L is equal to 40 minus B into B is equal to 400. So this becomes 40B minus B square is equal to 400 meter. Write in the quadratic form. Okay, B square minus 40B plus 400 is equal to 0. Right? B square minus 40B plus 400 is equal to 0. Yes. Let's check the discriminant here. First check the discriminant. Very easy questions, I think so. Okay, B square minus 4AC. What is the B square minus 4AC is equal to, what is the B square here? Minus 40 whole square minus 4 into 1 into C is 400, right? This becomes 1600 na, 00 minus, right? 4 into 4, 1600 this also. So this becomes 0, right? 40 into 40, 1600. 4 into 4, 4 into 4, 1600. Right now, answer getting 0. B square minus 4AC, therefore, F we can design. Yes, we can design the rectangular fork in that manner, such that, okay, then find the solutions. Okay, if this is 0 means what are the solutions? Then x is equal to, so here b is there, no? Solution, and b is equal to minus b by 2a, okay, and minus b by 2a. This is what are the minus here? Minus of minus 40 by 2, minus of minus 40 by 2. So this is 20, this is 20. Therefore length and breadth are equal to, therefore length and breadth is equal to 20. Let's check. 20, okay, 20 into 2, 40 plus 40 is equal to 80, right? Getting, and L into B, 20, 20, L into B, 20 into 20, you are getting 400. Yes, sir. This is the answer. Meter. Length is equal to breadth. So length and breadth of the rectangular is for 20 meter. Nothing but a square. Both are equal, both sides are equal, opposite sides are equal, then opposite are equal, all sides are equal. That's the square. So rectangle is a square here. Okay. Let's okay. See, only within a short time we have some this one. Let's do the solve example. Okay, the again one, another one. Okay, the following is possible. If the following situation is possible, so determine their present ages. Okay, question number. And actually I have to limit the solution because I have solved all questions here. Then I think you will never study. The sum of the ages of the two friends is 20 years. Sum of the ages of the two friends is 20 years. Question number 4. Write x plus y is equal to 20 years. Right? Okay. Or x is equal to 20 minus y years, right? 4 years ago, the product of their ages is 48 years. 4 years ago, x minus 4 and y minus 4 is equal to, what is the value? 48. Okay. 4 years ago, the product of their age x minus 4, y minus 4 is equal to 48. 4 years ago, the product of their age in year was 48. Okay, let's find this. Make it this simple. Okay, this is the equation. X equal to this one is 20 minus y minus 4 is equal to y minus 4 is equal to 48. Right? 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 minus y into y minus 4 is equal to 48. Simplify it. 16y minus 16 into 4. 40, 24. 64. Right? minus y square plus 4y is equal to 48. So here the terms y square, right? Y square 16y plus 49 20y minus 20y. I am writing the directly rearrange the terms, right? Y square minus 20y, okay? Y square minus 20y and 64 plus 42, 64 plus 42, 48, 100, 1112, 1112 is equal to 0. Once again, I bring the y square right side, y square and 16y plus 14 20y. Again I have to write the right side because I'm bringing y side, and again that is also bringing y side. 64 plus 48, 60 plus 300 plus 12 is 112. Okay. Required equation is in the form of like that. Okay. Then check whether it is possible or not. Okay. If the function is possible, just check the discriminant here. Discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to, okay, minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112. This is 400 minus 400, right? 400 into 12, 48, 448 na? 448, this becomes minus 48, which is less than 0. Okay, b square minus 4ac is less than 0, less than 0, because no 448 is, therefore this situation is not possible. 4.4. 4.4. Question number 4. No. Yes. Answer is no. Okay. If so, in the following situation is, the following situation is not possible. Therefore, we do not have any real number. Okay. This is the answer. We do not have. Okay. This equation is, this condition as does not have solution. This condition does not have, or equation does not have real solution. In climax we can write, right? I think so. Okay, students. Okay, so this is the conclusion. First is lengthy one, second is okay better chart one, and thing is here. So I'm going to conclude this one. And algebra is completed. Polynomials, pair of linear equations, and quadratic equation. Complete algebra is completed, and pure mathematics also. So real numbers, that is also completed. Thing is arithmetic progression, one arithmetic, and remaining is again geometry, triangles, circles. Okay, let's see that one. I think so. The main important concept is square. Completing the solution of the quadratic equation by computing the square. That is the very difficult, means quite complex, most potential chapter, a sub-concept chapter. But I skipped for this one. Even though I will confirm it. If it is for the exam, then definitely I will substitute for the coming days in this playlist for that question also. But only for sake of board exam, so I will limit my uploads. Okay, YouTube uploads for the current to this year board exam. Okay, almost those who are watching is the writing to aspirants are writing this exam for this year 2024 board exam. Okay, only for that purpose. And okay, whatever it may be. So in questions, okay, I will start the ICSE 9th and 10th. Then those who are getting, I will get the complete answer, because they will not skip the things. They will give the all things exactly, and very mechanical part is there in ICSE. Okay, I have to do more examples. I don't have to do basic concepts. Okay, that is completely mechanical. That is the good for the all competitive exams, because CBSE they give very less exams also, less examples also, and less syllabus also. Okay, so his revising is quite boring, because same questions, same solutions, same questions, same solutions, right? So this is not that. They have solved plenty of questions. So again, they will give the 100,000 of questions to work also, to work out. Anyway, this is the completion of the quadratic equation. Okay, both chapter, whole chapter. Next is arithmetic progression. That's also very important, and we'll solve it. And another one is, let's see the triangles. After this one, so triangles, quadratic geometry, etc., etc., etc. Okay. Thanks for watching, and give your valuable feedback. Okay, and any errors, just let me know my errors in comment box. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye, see you.